Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You spot yellow immediately. Act now. First, select the text or press Ctrl+A to include the whole document because partial selection misses hidden formatting. Next, check whether the yellow is a highlight or a font color. Open Home, Text Highlight Color, and choose No Color to remove highlights. If color remains, press Ctrl+Space to clear direct font formatting. This removes manual color overrides. Once done, inspect a few lines to confirm the yellow is gone before proceeding to deeper style fixes. Now tackle the middle complexity, styles and theme colors. Open Reveal Formatting with Shift+F1 to see if shading, theme, or a style forces yellow. If a style applies yellow, modify it. Home, Styles, right-click the style, modify, then set font color to automatic and shading to no color. This changes every paragraph using that style. For many instances, use Replace Ctrl+H, click More, Format, choose Highlight or Font, and replace with no formatting to remove color in bulk. Make sure to preview changes first. Finish by saving and verifying the document across views. Accept tracked changes and clear comments because some yellow markers come from review highlights, then save a copy. If stubborn yellow persists, paste the content into a new document as unformatted text to remove all styling. Once clean, reapply desired styles. Troubleshooting tip: if color still appears, inspect page background images or theme settings. They can look like yellow text. Make sure to check Printing Preview and another machine to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.